we develop our own drones. But of course, we started with hobby drones, and then off-the-shelf drones. And then along the way, we thought that, why not we build our own drones since we're capable of doing that. I started actually not drones. Actually, I started. I've been playing helicopters, RC helicopters, since 1997. That time I was with my late father. So 95. So from there, he showed me. So from there, all the interest started from there. So I've been playing helicopters for quite some time. So only when in 2012, I can remember that time, somebody brought me a drone, showed me this. I said, it's so weird because it just stays there. I said, doing what? It just stays there. Because helicopters, when you fly helicopters, you have to move around. And it's quite difficult to control helicopters. Very, very difficult. You need a lot of training, you need a lot of patience to fly that. Compared to drones, it's like, we just let go of the control and let the fly by itself there. So it's so weird to me the time. So from there on, I started want to know more how actually the system works, how it flies, why it can just stay there without holding the controllers. 95% I would say we build our own. We developed from small drone, from those hobby drones, up to military grade drones. For military drones, they have certain specification that we must meet. Mostly flight time and endurance. TOR stands for, of course, vertical takeoff landing. Means that you will take off and land like a normal drones, but once at certain height, it will just fly like a normal aeroplanes. We're the only one in Malaysia actually develop our own VTOL back then. Started in 2015. Actually, at the time it was most of those industry players were talking about solving fixed wing that we have now here, landing and takeoff issues where they have limited kind of space. Mostly we need at least 50-meter runway to take off and land any fixed wings from small to big, like a normal typical aeroplane. We were thinking of how to solve this problem. So of course, when we developed, we didn't develop by our own. We get help mostly from outside Malaysia, because that time Malaysia wasn't ready with that kind of technology. So I got help from Australia, from few guys from Europe. VTOL, of course, help a lot of industry players where they don't need longer kind of runway, because we just need 2-meter space to take off and land. We develop our own 100%. We develop from the design up to the system. Drones in Malaysia actually is not new, because drones been around since, as I remember, was 2007, 2008 that time. But that time drones was so expensive because one drone can buy you a car. We also develop our own commercial drones. For now, we are into final stage of getting our own commercial drones to the market, where we develop our own drone for beehive spraying. Drone delivery in the world, everybody wants to do it. So of course, Malaysia do not want to be left out. We came up with one idea, why not we do it in Cyberjaya, since Cyberjaya not so much on the high-rise area. Why not we do a drone food delivery within Cyberjaya.